Why?
Hello there.
And thank you for watching. So you clicked on this video because you want to see how I'm going to plan for November and what I plan to do as far as my weight loss, my exercise goals, and a variety of other stuff. So if you still want to know, stay tuned to this video. So what I'm going to be showing you guys today is how I schedule out my workouts and how it helps me stay motivated throughout the whole month. So I have my notebook and I got my stash. It's not, it's just pens, guys. It's just
Pens.
So I have my pens in here and I'm just going to choose just a random pen because all this is a rough draft and I'm going to write everything down. Of course, most of these I have not used yet because I'm so this is just going to be a rough draft of what I'm going to do for the month of November and what I am going to do after I plan out my schedule for November. I'm going to transfer this information over into my bullet journal. Yes, I do bullet journal. If you don't know what a bullet journal is, it's a bulletin journal where instead of the lines in the journal, it just has the dots. I like that journal because I can personalize it and I can make it custom to myself. So that's the reason why I use it. So I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna show you guys what I do, and that way you can see how I plan out for my workouts. Hi y'all, so this is my first time doing a voiceover, so I hope everything sounds correct and everything is right. If you can't really hear me, let me know, and if you do hear background noise, I apologize. Again, I live with my family members and I'm not going to tell them to shut up. So right now I am just going over the things that I want to see happen for November as far as my weight loss, what I want to see as far as inches lost. Some goals that I did not accomplish in October, I transfer that over into November. And that's what I'm writing down right now. I'm going to show you that here. So those are all the goals that I want to accomplish for November. Now, my next step is to write down the days that I have as far as my rest days and the days that I have that I will be working out. And you'll see me write all those days here. Now, usually, on the next view, you'll see that I switched over to a new page. Usually, I have a blank page where I write out all the days of the week, and I just create blocks to show what days and what times I have as far as when I'm going to work out, what times I'm going to work out, and when I have off to do other things as far as take my break, or if I have a doctor's appointment that's going to interrupt my workout session or what have you, just anything that's going to push my workout out of the way for that day. So you're just going to see me write stuff down as far as what I will be adding to my notebook, and then I'm going to show you that page as well, just so you can just see how I plan for the month of November. So I know this video was very short and it was very quick as well, but a lot of people ask me, how do I make the time to work out? How do I have the time to work out? So really, I just put everything into my notebook and I think about my work day. I think about what I have to do before and after work. I think about if the morning or the night will work for me on that particular day. You also have to think of yourself as being a morning or night person. I am definitely not a morning person, so I'd rather do all my workouts at night. Unless I'm up really early for some strange reason, which happens once in a while, then I'll say, you know what, I might as well go ahead and get this workout in right now. Then I can shower, get ready for work, depending on the day, or get ready for my meeting and then shower and be set for the day. Basically do a whole rough draft, and then I transfer all this information over into my journal. That way I can keep track and check off, okay, I did this day, I did this that day. I also have a draft of my schedule in my planner. So I know Monday through Friday for sure I will be working unless I have a doctor's appointment or I'm on vacation. But I know that for sure I will be working Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. So immediately after I get off of work, because I am working from home at the moment, I am able to throw my workout clothes on and just head to my workout. So in between me getting off of work and me planning and thinking about, okay, this is what I'm gonna do for my arms if it's an arm day or upper body day, or this is what I'm gonna do with my lower body and whatever. I'm thinking about my workout. I already have my workout plans and I'm going from there. And then within that half hour, I'm getting dressed, take my pre-workout, making sure that I have the availability to move around stuff just in case I want to work out inside the house. I'm being able to walk over to the park if I want to jump rope or do a HIIT workout or something outside. So it gives me that little space of time to just get ready for the workout that I'm going to do. After my workout, I do have some downtime and I have my rest time where I go ahead and shower. I prepare my dinner for the night. More than likely, my mom is cooking because she's the cook around the house. And then I am able to have what she is cooking. Now, if I do cook my own meal, it would usually be prepared during my lunchtime. So when I'm on lunch, I prepare my lunch and my dinner at the same time. That way, when it comes to dinner time, I'm able to eat my dinner after my workout. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I take a break because my family and we do a family worship on Monday, and then on Wednesday I have my meeting like a couple of hours after I get off of work. So I take advantage of using those windows as my break time, which is why I do a lower body on Tuesday, because I know on Wednesday I will have that rest day to rest my legs, and then I will have the rest of the week to just rest my legs, because on Saturday and Sunday I do a HIIT workout and I do a full body workout. So with my full body workouts, I tend to not go as hard as I would on a upper body day or a lower body day. I will just take it easy, do a little light workout, and I will go from there. So yeah, that's really how I plan my days. Right now, because again, I do work from home, it's pretty easy for me to plan out my workouts. But even when I do have to go back into the office, I'll know that I will still take my Monday and Wednesday off, and then I'll just get home later, and then that means my workouts will start later and I will have to cut out certain things out of my schedule. That's really just about it, and that's how I plan out my days. And also, I like to confirm 2 weeks ahead. So if my friends and I, if we're planning to do something over Zoom, or if we're playing video games or whatever, we tend to have our same schedule, and I know that that'll be my break time. When I do edit, I usually edit on Saturdays, and I usually edit pretty late at night because, again, I stay up at night and I'm just a night person. So I usually take the night hours to edit my videos on a Saturday, and then anytime I have after I do my workout, I'll edit my videos then. But really, I keep my stuff just to the point. I don't really have a lot going on at the moment because I don't want to go out and do anything because of what's going on in the world today. So as long as you know and you can adjust your time and you can figure out what blocks of space you'll have to work out, you should be pretty fine. But again, just wanted to make this quick video just to show that, that's how I get my workouts in. And I just rough draft it down, plug it in my notebook, see what times and what spaces I have available to work out, and I go from there. I will be having a video out soon on my recommendations on how you can plan out your day, and I will also be showing how I stay motivated and how you can stay motivated too on your workouts. So if you would like to see any of those videos, please let me know down in the comments below. If you would like to see how I transfer my rough draft into a final draft into my bulletin journal, let me know as well, and I will make that video for you too. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and taking care of yourselves. And until then, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good one, and I will see y'all later in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.